Good morning, students. So our next topic is design elements, backdrops and sprites. In Scratch program, we have seen there are two main things. One is background, or we can say backdrop also, and the other is sprite. Background is the stage of the Scratch program where the sprite move around or make some action. And the sprite is a graphic object or image that perform any specific task or do any action in the Scratch program according to the script or program. And when we open a Scratch program, so we see default background and sprite. But if you want to change the default background and sprite, so we can change with many choices. So let's see the design elements, backdrops and sprites. Scratch offers two different kinds of design elements, backdrops and sprites. The term backdrop stands for the background and the term sprite stands for the character. The default character is the cat on the stage. So a backdrop is one out of possibly many backgrounds of the stage, and the sprite is the character on the stage. You can change the backdrop anytime you wish during your script. You can also change the sprite or change its look anytime during the script. First of all, we'll see how to change the background or backdrop in Scratch. So there are 4 ways to add or change a backdrop or a sprite to the stage. The first one, you can choose from a predefined library. Second, paint on your own. Third, upload one from your computer or any other media. Fourth, take a photo with your web camera. So these are the 4 ways to change the backdrop or stage on the Scratch. So let's see each one. First is choosing backdrop from the library. Library is a storage where many predefined background available, so we can choose any background from the list. Click at the library icon in the backdrop list area. Now Scratch will show you the backdrops it has in its library like this. Choose the desired backdrop from the shown images and click OK. So Scratch will change the stage's backdrop with your chosen image. Notice the backdrop list area will also show the new backdrop you added over here. The next option, painting new backdrop. Painting new backdrop means there is a paint program type, paint editor tool is there. So you can draw your own backdrop or stage also from the paint editor program. Click at the paint editor icon in the backdrop list area. Now paint in the area shown. Use the tools on the left bar. This is a paint editor type program. It has tools also for drawing and colors also for filling the color. So you can draw and color your backdrop from here also. Next, third option, loading backdrop from an image file. Click on this icon in the backdrop list area. Select your desired image file name in the select file dialog box. Once you click open, Scratch will load it as your backdrop. In the third option, you can insert any file or image from your computer that is stored in your computer from the internet or by any other media. So you can insert that image in the Scratch program as a backdrop. Next, using camera to click image for backdrop. You can click a photo with a web camera to use it as your backdrop. Just click on camera icon in the backdrop list. When you can see your desired photo, click save it to use it. By this option, you can use your web camera to click the image or photo and use it as a backdrop or stage. So these are the 4 ways to change the stage. Next, changing sprite in Scratch. Like backdrops, sprite also can be changed in 4 ways. Here are the same 4 ways like backdrop to change the sprite. Loading sprite from library, painting a sprite, loading from a file, clicking from camera. The first option, loading a sprite from library. Click at the library icon in the sprite list below stage and then select the desired sprite from the library. Here are many sprites available, so you can select any one of your choice. The sprite you selected will be placed on the stage like this. The next option, painting a sprite. Click at the edit icon in the sprite list area. The way you painted backdrop, you can paint your sprite too. So here you can paint your sprite also like we have seen in backdrop. The other 2 options of loading from file and clicking from web camera work in the same way as they work in the backdrops.